How to download and install GTA on your PC or laptop. Firstly, you will have to open any browser on your system. So I'm opening the Chrome browser. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field, you'll have to type GTA. So after typing that, you'll have to hit the enter. And now from here, you'll be able to see the official website of Rockstar Games. So it will be like rockstargames.com. So simply from here, you'll have to open the Rockstar Game website. And now from here, you'll have to go the options like buy now. So it will usually appear at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on the buy now option. And now from here, you'll have to choose the specific version or game version on your device. So I will choose GTA 5. So I'm clicking on select platform. On this interface, you'll have to choose the PC. Alright, so after you click on that, you will be redirected to this website. So from here, you can now buy this game on your PC and laptop. So from here, you have to click on buy now. Alright, so after you log in with your ID and password, you'll be able to buy and enjoy this game on your laptop or PC. So this is the easiest and simplest method to enjoy the GTA game on your laptop. So hope you like this video and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.